Do you want to check your trade results instantly on ExpertOption? In this video, I will show you how to view your deal results immediately on ExpertOption step by step, so you can track your trading performance and stay updated with your outcomes. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to ExpertOption app. In this page here, you will go to this sign on above here. In this sign, you will find this page of your profile, so you will tap on settings. You will click on settings here. Then this window you will find trading settings, so we click on trading settings, and then you will find here show deal results dialog, so you click here to enable show deal results dialog on ExpertOption app. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.